The first thing I did was take in the sides of the vest to make it tighter. Then it was on to the bleach treatment. I used a spray bottle to apply the bleach because it's easier to control the bleach from spreading over too much of the vest. Spray the bleach where you want it on the vest, wait a few minutes to see how it lightens, and if it's not enough, apply more bleach. Once it starts to lighten, it can go very quickly, so it's important to move on to the wash phase just a hair before you're at the desired lightness, as not to over-bleach the vest. So once you've reached the desired lightness for the vest, throw it in and wash it on hot water. After taking the vest in, the bleach treatment, and sewing on the back patch, it's on to studding. Studding is not necessarily difficult, but rather more tedious and time-consuming. There's no easy way around it, and no machines that will give your vest that raw punk rock look, so each stud is punched in by hand. Place the stud where you want it and push the prongs through the fabric. I use a pair of jewelry pliers to grab the stud prongs and close them. I usually go line by line, alternating where the studs are placed each line to give the stud placement symmetry. To get the vest fully studded, I studded for a few hours each night for 3 nights. With the 3 days of studding and the first day of sewing and bleaching, this mini vest took me a total of 4 days to complete, with a total of about 15 hours worth of work. My vests are built to last through years of mosh pit shows and festivals. Some of my oldest vests are over 10 years old and still holding up strong. They're a ton of work to make, but they don't call them battle vests for nothing.